Hello everybody. So here we are, we're creating a permeable pathway to a front yard in Manhattan Beach. This is the binder that we're going to use. We're going to mix that with gravel, some really pretty gravel. So we're using pea gravel as a base. We're putting it down now. We actually got the borders defined with the homeowner yesterday, and the reason for this being was they had steps here, but this big giant olive tree has giant roots, and it was just tore the old pathway up. And we thought, well, as people get older, you want to make it more wheelchair accessible, so more or less. And so if you didn't want steps to get broken up, you can put this permeable paving in. And so we have spent yesterday kind of getting this all put together. But there's the gravel. There's the pretty gravel we're going to mix with the super glue EcoFlow. And this is going to be permeable. There's no VOCs connected to it, and if a tree root grows in it, no big deal, because it's got some flexibility with the pea gravel on the bottom. And rain, it's permeable, so rain goes through it, so it'll allow the rain to stay on site. Really good stuff happening here. Okay, we'll do a after video. We're going to wash off the pretty gravel and lay it in the driveway here, and we'll do another video, and then we'll show how it gets applied. Thanks for watching. Take care.